To take you on a tour to a rainforest. Join us for this beautiful rainforest. It's nice under here. Check it out, it's sick. This is our little walk we do to the forest. How cool can you get just to get it? Look at that. That's sick. How sick is this? Yeah, we're going to get to the end here, and then we're going to go to the forest for this magical wall at the end. Alright. Okay, this is in real time, so it's going to happen in real time. So when I go through, here we go through. Let's get to the wall first. Let's get to that wall at the end and see me. Okay, to the rainforest now. This is, here we go. Here we go. To the rainforest. We go. It's just here. It's just here. It's just here. It's just here. It's just right here. There we are. Rainforest. Told you we go through the wall and get magic. Get here. Where do we go? Where do we go? Whoa. Crossrail place. Lots to see. Wow. Let's open it. Open up there. Palm trees here. It's sick. It's sick. It's supposed to be we're on a ship. At the end there's a ship. It's going to be sick. This is very random though, because people do take shortcuts there when you're not meant to. Oh, rainforest experience. It's dope. At the end here is actually an actual ship. We're actually on a ship. Or was a mock of a ship. Underneath us is Elizabeth line. Underneath here. Not it is bamboos. This is all bamboo.
Now.
That's kind of cool. This is actually bamboo. We're looking at bamboo right now. Oh, we can't go past the end of the ship. Oh, it's a shame. We can't go to the end of the ship. It's closed off. Wonder if we can go this way. Sick. If we can, that'd be quite dope. They blocked it off. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. You can go to the end here. If we can go to the end of the ship. There may be a rainforest on here. But it's designed like a ship. So I'm going to take you somewhere different for a change, guys, on the vlog.
Unless it's got like he doesn't get in.
Right, let's get to the end of the ship. This is going to be sick. You're going to love this. It's going to get very windy randomly. It feels like we're moving, but we're not. This has that illusion vibe. It's nice to chill out here for a drink though. Sit 'em in, sit 'em in. Let's go back. Let's make our way back. And yeah. Copyright. Music, hey,
up, so my mum's come around at 12 to let the dogs out.
Sick view there. Look at the view. Docklands over there. Docklands up road, depot over there. This we're on water. Literally on water. Well, there's water around us. It's just designed like a ship, which is pretty impressive. I like these tropical plants. If you can't afford to go to Botanic Gardens in London, you don't want to do it, too far for people, come to the Canary Wharf. They've got one here. Where Elizabeth line is, it's right at the top, above that, on the train, and you get to experience that. That's a nice artwork here. I'm just going to take a picture of that. That's sick. That's really weird. That's sick. Fascination. That pixelated. Painted steel. Interesting, that. Gonna walk through the other way because it looks very exotic. Unedited video, eh? What do you think? Unedited. Unedited rainforest experience. Look. All the tropical plants. It's nice, it's so warm in here though. This is open all year round. Doesn't matter what the season is. The size of these leaves, man. Look. Look at the size of these leaves. It's like, what the hell? Why? Massive. Look. Massive size. It's nice in here because it's summertime. And it's like nice and warm. Palm trees. Yes, we get palm trees in the UK. Certain areas have got the right climate, you know what I mean? Very tropical. Very tropical indeed. I always wonder how big a little leaves are. Yeah, look. Here's my hand. And there's the leaf. Gives you a rough idea how big they are. I'm sure that when they bloom, they're going to look nice when they come out. These ones here that are slowly coming out. That'd be pretty epic, wouldn't it? You can read about these. When you walk around, you can actually read about it. Oh, it's wildlife. Bird. Is there a... Wait, it's a finch. There's a finch. In the tree. Oh, there's a golden finch in a tree just down. I've just seen it. That's pretty decent. I'm slowly coming to the end now. Slowly coming to the end. Hope you've enjoyed this experience here in the rainforest in Crossrail Place. It's called Crossrail. Wait, focus. I can't see that. Can't see it very well. There's a plane coming across here. Oh my gosh, that's so good. It's so close. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Way. Yeah. Until next time, here. Well, actually, no, just spoil this bit first. We'll end it here. Until next time.